as y'all can see by the title, I will be doing a fast hair growth, hair advice video on how I got my hair long. I mean, it took me like a year and a half to get my hair this long, but this video was taken like 8 months ago. Always wash your hair and comb your hair thoroughly, no matter what. Even though right there I said I ain't do it in months, but hey, like it worked. Like twist your hair, 2-strand twist your hair, boy or girl, like it pull your hair, like it help your hair grow, you know. And I was just, at first I didn't think it worked, but I got too much hair to handle. Like I can't handle most of my hair because it's like it grows so rapidly now. Like this video right here, this old. Like it wasn't even that long, but look how like defined it is when it's twisted. I really just got back on YouTube, but thanks for watching. Subscribe, like for more.